Introduction, a personal beginning. Hi everyone and welcome back to English Academy. My name is Jack, and today I want to share something personal. Not a grammar tip or a list of vocabulary, but a real story, my own journey of learning English. The fear of speaking. I wasn't always confident in English. In fact, I was afraid of it. I still remember the first time I tried to speak English in public. I said, I didn't went to school yesterday. People laughed. It might have been a small moment to them, but for me, it felt like a huge failure. I smiled, but deep down, I felt ashamed and discouraged. That night, I kept thinking, maybe English isn't for me. But something inside me said, this is just the beginning, Jack. The struggles and the mistakes. I didn't stop. I kept trying. And with every sentence, I made mistakes. Sometimes I mixed up tenses. Sometimes I used the wrong words. I said he instead of she, or used words where they didn't belong. And people noticed. Some corrected me kindly, others laughed. But I didn't quit. I practiced in front of the mirror. I watched English movies with subtitles. I read simple books. I repeated sentences again and again. I even changed the language on my phone to English. Every small thing helped me grow. Frustration and self-doubt. There were many days I felt stuck. I would ask myself, why am I still not fluent? I saw others speaking better, faster, and with more confidence. I compared myself. I felt like I was moving too slow. But I reminded myself, even slow progress is still progress. And the only way to get better was to keep going. The turning point. One day, someone said to me, Jack, your English has really improved. That moment felt like a reward. But more than the compliment, I felt proud because I remembered everything I went through to get there. I didn't give up. I made it through the fear, the mistakes, and the doubt. The lesson I learned. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. It's about showing up every day, even when it's hard. It's about making mistakes and learning from them. It's about believing that you can do it, even when others don't believe in you. Today, I still make small mistakes. But I speak with confidence. Because now I understand, mistakes are part of learning. They are not a sign of failure. They are signs of growth. A message to every learner. If you're struggling to learn English, please remember this, you're not weak. You're not failing. You're learning. And learning is never easy. But it's always worth it. Keep speaking. Keep practicing. Don't be afraid. One day, you'll surprise yourself. And you'll be proud of the person you've become. If my story touched you or gave you hope, share your journey in the comments. Subscribe to English Academy for more support and guidance. Like this video and share it with someone who needs motivation. Remember, your journey is just beginning. Don't quit now. You are capable of more than you think.